Burkert's Type 8905 online analysis system for drinking water offers complete flexibility when it comes to the analysis of a wide range of parameters pertinent to drinking water treatment. Ever since its launch more than 5 years ago, the Type 8905 has evolved year on year to accommodate and factor in an ever-expanding number of functions. Let's take a look at some of the key features of the product. 7-inch touchscreen display in the upper housing. Secure IP65 electronic module casing. Fluidic housing featuring hot swappable cubes. 6 removable sensor cubes. pH, ORP, conductivity, chlorine dioxide, turbidity, iron. Unlike other multi-parameter systems available on the market, the Burkert Type 8905 does not use a centralized processor system. Instead, the hot swappable cubes are actually transmitters themselves, independently communicating with the HMI and output cards found in the upper electronic module casing. The modular components allow for bespoke panel and housing solutions to offer a safe application environment. Contact Burkert today to learn more about our water analysis applications and how they are formulated for drinking water and fresh water in industrial processes.